Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today we'll be talking about how to create projects in Business Central. This is a very important aspect for project managers. So a project is a tool in Business Central for managing specific temporary endeavors used to schedule resources and track all associated costs and revenue. They are also known as jobs and can be used to oversee everything from internal initiatives to client-based work by tracking employee and machine hours, material usage, customer billing, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can set up the project in Business Central. Before we start, I would just like to say that right now, the Business Central that I'm viewing, I'm in the project manager role. If you want to change it, you can come up here in the settings and do it. I have made another video based on how we can change roles in Business Central. The link will be in the description below, so don't hesitate to go and watch that. Okay, so let's get into this video on creating projects in Business Central. So you come in the search up here and look for project. Here we have it. So this is a list of projects that you already have in Business Central. So we're going to click on New. And you will see that here by default, Business Central is going to assign a number to this new project that you're creating. So you'll just go ahead and input the other information that you need for this project. So let's just say the description for this one. Let's create one. Let's say it's AC installation, for instance. Then you can come and choose the customer name. So let's say it's this one. Okay, then you can choose a person who is responsible. So that can be, for instance, let's say Marty for this one, and the project manager here, let's say P. Murphy. Okay, so here you've entered the basic information about this project that you are creating. Now, when you scroll down, this is where you're going to put the specific tasks that are going to be associated with this project. So let's say for this one, so let's name it 100. Let's say the first task is a consultation. Then let's say after consultation, we will be having a selection. And then let's say after that, we'll have the installation. So here you can add the different tasks. Okay, so before we save these different tasks, I would just like to say we're going to leave them at posting here because right now what we're going to do is we're going to add the budget information for each of the tasks. And how you do that is you click on project up here, then you click on project planning lines. And this is where you will be able to add more information about each of the tasks, like the budget and the resources. So let's say for this one, we are talking about the consultation. Let's say the number of resources. So the consultation, let's say it's Catherine. And if you scroll to the right, you will be able to put in the quantity. Let's say we have two. So this is the number of people who will actually be doing the job and you will see it will already calculate the costs for that particular task in that project for you. Now let's go ahead and do the other one. So let's say a selection, let's say it's still Catherine. Let's say this time it's still two. So you'll see the budget has already been adjusted based on that. And finally, we have installation. Let's say, so this one, it is Marty, and let's say he has team of 3 people. And so you can see the budget has already been accommodating to that. So once this is done, you can close it. And the great thing about this part and about Business Central in general is on the right here you will be able to see the budget cost for that project and all of the other details that you've just added into your different tasks for this project. Now, once you've done that, you can come down here and look at the posting. Always make sure the status is open unless it is a project that has been completed, obviously. And then the project posting group, you want to have that project in a particular group. So right now it is setting up by default. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Now, the great thing about it as well is if this project was assigned to you, you will be able to see it in your homepage. So if you go back now to your homepage of Business Central and you come down here, you will see My Projects. So you will be able to have all of your projects right here if this was actually a project that was assigned to you. You can also have other quick view about project profitability and the actual cost. So as a project manager and using the view of the project manager in Business Central, you have easy access to all of those information right in the homepage itself. Now that you've created a new project in Business Central, I want to show you how we can move ahead quicker in the creation process. So you will see here itself on the homepage, you have some quick actions that you can do here. So if you click on new, you click on project, next, and then you click on description. So let's say you want to create a new project now, but the tasks are going to be similar to the one that we just created. So you want to copy all of the tasks that have already been created in the previous project that we've created. So let's say here we have the description. Let's say it is SC installation again. Let's just change the name. Now you're going to choose the customer. Let's say now the customer is this one. You click on next. And so you will be able to see here, this is a project that we've just created. So you can just click on it and it will already copy the different tasks here. So if you leave it on blank, it will copy all of the tasks that has already been created in the previous project. But if you want to add any specific, you can click here and you will have the option of adding any specific task to this project that you want to. And once you've done that, you can click on the starting date and the ending date to add them here. And then the project task number, if you want to, you can add other information based on that. And then you click on OK. And you will see the project was successfully copied. So here you go. You have the new project that has been created and it has all of the same information that has been created in the previous project before. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. This was a quick video just to show you how to create project in Business Central, which is very useful for project managers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.